Today we are solving problems at a store that has these items for sale. For this problem, you will need a number line and a place value chart with place value discs to the hundredths. Go ahead and get those supplies if you haven't done. Pause and get them ready. Okay, let's give this problem a go. A tablet, laptop, and desktop are for sale. How much does one laptop and one tablet cost altogether? Well, let's make sense of this problem with a tape diagram. I know that I want to know how much is the tablet and how much is the laptop all together. So, what would go in my boxes on this tape diagram? Pause the video and decide. Okay, let's see how you did. The tablet is $356.25 and the laptop is $1,072.99. I'm trying to figure out what those two parts together make the whole. Today, you can decide if you want to solve that using place value discs and the place value chart or that number line. Go ahead and choose your tool and give it a go. How much does it cost altogether? Pause the video now. Let's see how to use the place value chart to solve this problem with our place value discs. I know that the tablet is $356.25, so I have 356 and 25 cents. That's 2/10 and 5 hundredths. I also put together 1,000, no hundreds, 70, 2 ones, 9 tenths, and 9 hundredths. And now I'm going to put it all together to see what I get. Now I can start at any place, but I think I'll start in the ones and move over. So I know that when I put all these together, I have 2, 4, 5, plus 3 is 8, 9, 10. Well, if I have 10 hundredths, I know that that's equal to 1/10. So I can trade those and move this one over here. Now I have 4 hundredths left. I'm going to put all these together. I have 3 here now, not just 2. So there's 3 more. 3 more is 9. There's 10. I have 2 left here. So 10 tenths. I know from fractions and from decimals that 10 tenths is a 1 whole. So I can put this one here. Now I have 2 tenths left. And I had 6, 7, 8, 9. So I don't need to trade any of those. And here I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens altogether. So I can trade that out. 10 tens is equal to 100. So I move that up. I have 2 tens left. And then I have 4 hundredths and 1,000. So all together, that would be 1,000, 4 hundredths, 2 tens. This should be 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 ones, and 2 tenths, 4 hundredths. $1,429.24. Well, let's check that with the number line and see if we get the same answer. With my number line, I'm going to add up in chunks. I think I'll start with the laptop amount because that's more and I have less chunks to jump up. So I'm just going to start at $1,072.99. And if I jump 300, so this is plus 300, I am now at $1,372.99. I didn't have to start with 300. I can start with any number. 300 is easy. I think I'll do the 50 next because that will be easy. Well, maybe I'll do plus 30 actually, not the 50, because if I do plus 30, that puts me to 100. So plus 30 would be $1,402.99, but I still have 20 of that 50. So then I can do plus 20 more because that's the plus 50. And plus 20 more would be $1,422.99. Okay, so I've done 350. I still have $6.25 left. So let's add the $6. That's easy. Plus 6. I now have 1,422 plus 6 is $8.99. Okay, so now I have the 99 cents plus the 25 cents. Well, let's just do the plus 20 cents. So 2/10. Well, if I do 2/10, I'm going to have one left here. One left, because that would be, actually that'd be 9 plus 2 is 11. So one left here, and that would be trading a 1. So I think I have 1,429.19 cents, I think is where I'm at there. And then I still have 5 cents left, so that's 5 hundredths. So plus 5 hundredths. Let's see, plus 5 hundredths here would make that 9 plus 5 is 14. So I'm going to have a 4. And this then becomes a 2 because 14 would be carrying the 2. I think I'm at $1,429.24. Let's see if that's what I got when I started. Does it match? It does. I think I'm accurate. So I got $4,29.24. Now, I checked it with 2 tools, but I want to next estimate to really check a more efficient way. How can I use estimation to figure out if this is a reasonable amount when I'm adding these 2 parts? Pause the video and have a talk about how estimation can help us check our work and be efficient. Okay, let's check. I know that the tablet was $356.25. Well, if I use rounding rules, I could make that $400. But $400 is a long way from 356. I kind of think 356, if I use rounding rules, would be 360, but I think 350 is an easier amount to add. If I'm at the store, 350 is a good estimation because it's just a friendly number. 50s are friendly. So I'm not going to use rounding rules here. I'm going to use a reasonable estimation. That's a friendly number. And this is $1,072.99. Well, 99 cents is close to $1, so that's a 3 really, $1,073. But the $3, I could do 1,100. I could just do 1,000 if I'm following rounding rules. But I think I'm going to do 1,070 because it's a pretty reasonable number and it will be pretty easy and pretty close if I'm accurate. So I'm going to add these together and just think what that might be. And I get 1,420. Now if I compare it to my exact answer, my estimated answer to my exact answer, 1,420, is that pretty close to $1,429.24? Yeah, it's really close because it only has a difference of $9.24. So I think my answer is pretty reasonable, and this check shows that it's pretty close using a reasonable estimation. How might you use estimating to estimate this? Would you use 350 and 1,070? Or is there another reasonable number that would still work, that's a good estimation? It might not follow rounding rules, but it'd be reasonable. Go ahead and finish this video with a discussion of what other estimations would make sense to check this work.